Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing this clipper. We got this to cut Real's hair, and you guys might be interested to, get one because #new normal. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. By the way, guys, make sure to check the next video because then we will be trying this out. All right? By the way, we got the clipper through Shopee. I will just leave the link at the description. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye!